My name is Adetola Salau. I'm the Executive Director and founder of Charisma for You Educational Foundation, a social innovation enterprise where we focus on making learning more relevant, more engaging for our children, and transformational. STEM is science, technology, engineering, mathematics, activities that immerse and infuse all these various areas. That's what STEM is about. And at our STEM center, we carry out various activities for the children in engineering, in science, in mathematics, as well as technology, where they do Internet of Things, coding, and robotics. STEM is necessary for the future because everything that we're going to be using in the future has to do with technology, has to do with critical thinking skills, has to do with creative thinking skills, problem-solving skills, communication. STEM makes sure that you are equipped and built up with all these skills, and these are the skills that are necessary for the future of work. We're working with children, we're working with teachers, we're also going to be boosting parents to be able to carry out activities with their children at home and understand that they need to make sure that their children are involved in STEM so that their children are able to compete globally with children from all over the world. We need to prepare our children for working in that way. And this is where we also make sure that when they are working after school in our center and on weekends and during the holidays, they're involved in collaborative work. And we also equip them with communication skills. You need to be able to express yourself for the work of the future, the work that takes place right now with tech. So join us at C4UVerse. Our pilot center here at VI is 19 Agorodiyan Street off Adiola Odeku. We are hopeful to be creating more centers like this all across Lagos, all across Nigeria and Africa as a whole, where we can equip our children with these kind of skills and they're engaged in relevant learning that translates to them being future ready.